TradeSanta Honest App. The pros, the cons. If you're into crypto trading, TradeSanta promises automated trading strategies to simplify your investments, but is it really that effective? One of the biggest pros is automation. Most people get this wrong by assuming they still need to monitor trades constantly. TradeSanta allows you to create trading bots that operate, using preset strategies for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You can adjust risk levels, target prices and trading pairs, which makes managing multiple assets much easier. Another advantage is accessibility. The app provides a clean, user-friendly interface suitable for beginners and advanced traders alike. You can track bot performance, review analytics, and adjust settings directly from your mobile device, giving you flexibility and real-time insights. However, there are cons. Crypto trading is inherently risky, and automated strategies do not guarantee profit. Some users report occasional delays in order execution, and the app's full features require a paid subscription. Understanding the market and carefully configuring bots is essential to avoid significant losses. In conclusion, the TradeSanta app is a helpful tool for automating cryptocurrency trading. The surprising truth is that while it saves time and provides structure, success depends on careful setup, market knowledge, and risk management. If you want to experiment with automated crypto trading and streamline your investment strategies, TradeSanta can be a valuable part of your toolkit, but it's not a set it and forget it solution.